News coming in from Chhattisgarh with regard to an anti-conversion law. There could be more strength, more teeth being given to this anti-conversion law. Chief Minister Vishnu Sai says will bring a stringent law, will not tolerate illegal forced conversions that are happening in the state. 12 Indian states, remember, are in many ways one after another bringing a certain law, specifically when it comes to what appears to be manipulative forced conversion or an illegal form of conversion, as some of these chief ministers have said. Also remember, Chhattisgarh is a tribal state and therefore it takes additional layers of the kind of conversion that has been happening. What exactly is the chief minister saying with this regard? Let's listen in.
धर्मांतरण की जहाँ शिकायत हो रही है वहाँ पर विधि के अनुसार कार्रवाई हो रही है, लेकिन हमको लगता है कि कानून बनाने की तो आवश्यकता है। कानून वैसे है, उसको और थोड़ा कई प्रदेशों ने उसको कड़ा किया है, तो आने वाले समय में छत्तीसगढ़ भी उस पर विचार कर रही है, कोई अच्छा कड़ा कानून लाए।
So remember, in Chhattisgarh, of course, in mainly other states where the anti-conversion law has come forth, there's been this whole debate and narrative about love jihad controversy too. But in Chhattisgarh, there's also been another controversy with regard to the Christian missionaries. It's been a sensitive state. So we'll be tracking more of how the chief minister goes ahead with this law and conversion, which is, remember, otherwise allowed. It's legal. How will they bring in an anti-conversion law to stop any forced illegal conversion that they say?